Hey guys, I'm Jill Buck with 901 Salon and guest artist with Joico. I'm going to show you guys my root tap technique that I use on a blonde almost every day in the salon, and it's different from a root shadow, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why. Start by mixing your formulas. For this technique, you'll need the following. Formula 1 is LumiShine Demi Permanent Cream Color 8NA mixed with 5 volume LumiShine Developer. And Formula 2 is the gloss for the mids and the ends. It's LumiShine Demi Permanent Liquid equal parts, 9NV and clear, mixed with 5 volume LumiShine Developer. Begin by applying Formula 1 to the back section. Start at the nape and then work your way up to the crown. Make sure that you cross over the line of demarcation to blend the base. If at any point you guys started your weaves too high and you need to blend and diffuse them, this is the point where you can do that. Continue the root tap into the front sections. Take vertical sections because you applied your highlights in horizontal sections, and this will create the diffusion and the root tap. When working around the front, apply the color in a more shallow method to maintain the brightness all around the face. When working away from the front area, go a little bit deeper with your application to create more depth. Hairlines are always difficult and they're different for every person. This area around the temple where the hairline goes back, this is what we call the cul-de-sac because it has a valley. When you reach the cul-de-sac, don't tap down as far and recreate the same dark valley. Tap above it and let the rest go. Back tap the hairline only by applying color to the back side of the highlight. When applying the gloss formula, leave out the front until the very last moment. Same with the ends of the hair. This will maintain that brightness that you just added, and this is where the client wants to see it most. Apply Formula 2 to the remaining hair and leave it in for the last few minutes of toning. Let this process for 20 minutes. Rinse, then shampoo and treat with Defy Damage Pro Series 2 for 5 minutes. This will replenish the bonds for damage-resistant, healthy-looking hair. Rinse again and you're ready to style. I hope you guys enjoyed today's class. For more classes like the one you watched today, check out our digital library and click the link below.